everybody, we're just heading up to Oshawa to a C8 meet. From what I've been hearing, there should be about a dozen C8s, maybe more. So we're an hour away from the meet, and we're just heading out now, and traffic looks fairly steady. Meeting up with Daily Downshift. Thanks for organizing it, guys. Can't wait to meet you in person today.
But yeah, we've seen yours and another one parked in a parking lot. People have been sharing it on Facebook.
Okay.
So it's pretty cool, actually.
I know I got my order in the day that I could put it in, because the dealership says, well, why don't you, it was a Friday, and he goes, why don't you wait till Monday? I said, no, I'm coming in. It was late a Friday night. And he goes, and then he phoned me on the weekend. He says, that's probably a good thing you did come in on that Friday.
Yeah. Well,
I probably would have had an earlier one if I would have had a different color.
And the Seto 6 will be red. I think that red tint mist. And I'll go convertible. It's too noisy for me, guys.
Are they gonna have all the colors for the?
They may have two new ones.
Well, I know that red mist and the silver.
Yeah. I don't know if Zeus Bronze will keep it going. It's all going to be about numbers.
So how are you today, Brian?
Awesome, thank you.
I just got here.
I saw it.
Was that you over here in the other parking lot?
I'm in the wrong parking lot. I realized that.
I didn't know where to go either. I was just pulling in. And I just took where the GPS told me to come.
No, I haven't.
You got to go in and get it right away because they only have like 10 per store type thing.
My God, no, I have not seen it.
That's awesome.
And GM sends them all, except for Canadians. They'll send you the color of yours, but only Americans get it. Canadians don't.
Oh. Yeah, I know. I put a complaint in about that.
I think everybody did. Then clear coating.
Okay.
And this is all clear coated too.
Okay, the clear coating, I got mine just done.
Yeah.
It's also ceramic coated. I just got it done 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
What's with the clear coat? You're saying it's a...
It's by Expel. I've had all my
the
Corvettes
Expel
with that.
product. I
Yeah.
looked at, but that's expensive, Expel.
Yeah, I know, but when you look at 2 years from now, I mean, we don't keep them that long, but when you go to Carlisle and you see the ones that don't have it and do, the front, it's like sandblasting.
Yeah.
Like it really makes a difference if you're driving in long places.
On his.
And I had a stone come off a dump truck on my C7.
Did you? Yeah.
And it's saved. It made hardly even a mark in it.
So the Expel is only on the front?
All the front, this.
Behind the mirrors? Yeah.
Yeah, underneath my rockers and
Okay.
and then all this too.
Yeah, and the top part, yeah. What?
Kingston, you can get it done. This guy here, he'll do it for cash even, but it'll be anywhere from 1,000 to 12 to 15, depending on how much you want.
Crazy when he said up to.
So, but then there is a new one now that's just been patented by FineLab. It's now a spray, so there's no more seams.
Okay.
And you'll be able to peel it off like plastic. It's just coming out spray, and it's far superior than what I have.
Yeah, because the old one had that seam across the hood and that you could see it, eh?
Yeah, you can see the seam on mine, but
I love the new one.
I haven't seen a color, guys, I didn't like.
I know.
I know.
The blue,
Andrew
the
blew me
yellow.
away.
And a tornado warning. So we were talking.
Everybody's got the roof off on this side. That side there, I got them on. Yeah, it's true. Pretty observant, eh? Every C8 over here has the roof off, and every single one down there.
I like it.
So how many C8s are here so far?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 C8s so far. Which one do you think's your favorite other than your own?
I think I like the red.
Yeah, the red one is pretty
I
cool.
like the red.
The convertible, it's got the nacelle, the black.
I didn't think I would say the red, so I thought I'd like the blue more.
I kind of hummed and hawed because I didn't, like, my wife and I went down to New York to Van Bortles to look at the, I mean, I really get shafted all the time. We didn't get the traveling road show, we didn't get the brochures, we didn't get the...
We would have had the invasion.
Yeah.
We would have had the trailer.
Oh, would you?
We had a really good possibility.
That's good.
Now no one's got it.
My wife just wasn't letting me buy a car.
He was saying he likes a lot more that you can see like out the back without having to have like a camera, but what would you rather have? No need for a camera, but you can't see the motor.
Well, I like the idea you can see the motor for sure.
Yeah. I do like the
Otherwise, I
nacelles,
probably
though.
would have bought a convertible.
Well, I think every white C8 that we've seen has had a high wing.
Because they were the first ones probably out.
A lot of orange and white. I didn't think there'd be that many orange. How many oranges is there here?
I like the
4?
silver.
Yeah, the silver's nice.
What do you think of the colored in wheels?
Looks alright in person. Those rims aren't nice. So what do you think so far?
Not much. Other than lots of colors.
Yeah, it's kind of a nice color display down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors all side by side.
With the drone footage.
So what was he saying? Probably gonna cruise somewhere after? Or?
Yeah. Should all go for a cruise, maybe stop somewhere, I don't know.
Yeah, it'd be cool.
I think it'd be cool.
What do you think so far? The turnout, just kind of.
I'm impressed. I'm surprised.
Yeah, when you said around.
How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 15.
15 C8s, yeah, that's pretty good. Almost every option.
What'd you think of the putting the white on the tires?
When what?
White on the rubber.
I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, he colored them in with a pen.
It's not for me. From far away it would look good, but I guess if you want up close to it, maybe.
From a distance, it doesn't look, you wouldn't even notice.
Good, how are you? Andrew.
He owns the yellow.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Beautiful cars, man. Thanks. I love them. The front plates here, looks like half of them, they don't have one. I think it's a $130 fine if you get caught without one.
So yeah, about half have plates, half don't have plates. It's, do you want to risk it for the $130 ticket?
You want the attention.
Will that raise your insurance though, that ticket, or probably not?
Not that I know of. And as you can see over here, the red one here has a bent plate on the front.
Looks like a lot of people.
Concrete caved it there to.
A lot of people on their C8s, they kind of bend the license plate so that it matches the curve of the front of the car. That red one down there has it too. So, what do you think? Do you like the look of the curved plate? I think that looks pretty good.
I think it looks good, yes.
and it's not coming over
I might
the.
have to change mine.
You're thinking of like. Yeah, I think you should. I think that would be cool. It would look a lot. You could still keep the license plate cover on the back, but it definitely does look a lot nicer than this big bulky thing.
I'm facing the wrong way.
Yeah, I wanted to get some pictures beside the red convertible.
Yeah, that was a good idea. It's got to be one of the first convertibles for Canada.
Yeah, I think it is one of the first ones in Canada. I haven't seen any other ones anyways.